Call of Duty Black Ops, a blockbuster title, selling 5.7 million copies on its first day, reaching $360 million in revenue for Activision. It sold enough to make $1 billion by the end of the first week, making it the 7th best-selling game of all time. A game this popular, I was really interested in finding out what was the winning formula to having such a wonderful game. And after some investigating, I found out that the Zombies game mode was very popular among all the buyers. So to try out this zombie game mode, it really got me thinking on whether or not Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies could be a realistic possibility. Now, for most, zombies seems like something that would only happen in movies and or in a video game. But could it actually happen? I did some research, and the short answer is that yes, it could, but in the very far future. Right now, as of this moment, the closest thing to actually existing and working to form a zombie was this parasite that infects ants called Cordyceps. And what this parasite does is it infects ants and completely takes over their actions, much like a zombie infection would, and it would take over what a person is doing in their actions. And what this ant does is it changes its behavior, and it goes to the nearest leaf, clenches its arms and its hands and feet on the stem of the leaf, and just dies there. And this is pretty shocking, because this parasite, if it adapted and evolved, which would be the most logical explanation for if a zombie outbreak ever occurred, as of now this would be the only logical explanation. This parasite adapted so it could affect humans and the human brain and actually manipulate their movements and their actions to maybe not attack other humans, but even manipulating their actions would be quite a feat. And to enhance these technologies, if anyone actually wanted to, I don't see why they would have to get this. They would have to get Cordyceps, which infects the ants, and literally upgrade the parasite to affect humans and change it genetically so that it affects humans and the human brain, and what target it goes after in the human brain to affect all the human's emotions and what it does in its thought process. Now, is this a possibility in the near future? Not a possibility. The technology required is so advanced and so far-fetched that I don't think it will ever exist, but as we all know, development in technology is exponential, and so probably in the far future, far future, this could be a realistic possibility, but as of now, this is completely unrealistic and will not happen within the following years. Now, some drawbacks. So the drawbacks, socially, obviously nobody wants zombies. If zombies were to ever be created, it would be terrible for the humans as a species, because it could literally end the humans' existence on this planet. It would be completely terrible, and this is mostly because the humans will literally just be attacking one another. So the drawbacks would be immense and completely not worth anything it could be worth. So I don't think this would be a terrible idea. As for this parasite resembling zombie-like behavior, that depends on what someone sees zombie-like behavior as. If they see it as just the manipulation of if someone sees zombie-like behavior as the manipulation of something's actions, then yeah, this could definitely be one. But if they see it as attacking other people like they do in movies and being cannibalistic savages, then probably not. So basically, bottom line is that this will never happen, most likely, and if it does, it's in the far future, and we don't have to worry about it in our lifetime at least. And those are the repercussions. So zombies, probably not going to happen, but are they possible? Yes.